this video, I really want to spend some time clarifying positional and keyword arguments. So positional arguments, again, are passed in as just the values themselves or variable names. Their position is what determines which parameters they will be assigned to. So here's an example where they are all positional arguments. The square root of 295, that's the number, guess is 20, and then the max error is 0.01. So we base it on their position. That's how we determine what parameter they are assigned to. Keyword arguments are always passed in such a manner that the parameter name is assigned to the value. So you'll actually see the parameter name in the function call. So these are all valid ways of using keyword arguments. So the order here does not matter. So I just put all the same values, but all in different orders. So obviously max error, which is normally the third parameter, because it's a keyword argument here, will now be assigned to 0.01. Now you can mix and match keyword and positional arguments. So you can have both in the same function call. So the positional ones you should recognize right away. They're the ones with no keyword arguments. The keyword arguments are the ones that do have them. So the only rule here is that positional arguments cannot follow keyword. So this one over here is invalid and will not work. So we have positional arguments following keyword arguments. The other ones we have positional before keyword, and that is fine. So hopefully that clarifies positional and keyword arguments.